बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 7. But first we will revise our previous lecture, the respiratory system. In that lecture we had read about respiration, that the taking in of oxygen and taking out of carbon dioxide is called respiration. And what is respiratory system? The system through which respiration occurs is called respiratory system. Then we read that the respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Then we read in lungs oxygen is absorbed into the body. Now today our topic is the nervous system. The nervous system. First, I will tell you what is nervous system. The system through which impulses transfer from body to the brain and from brain to the body is called nervous system. The system through which impulses transfer from body to the brain and from brain to the body. Impulses mean signals, messages. पहले मैं आप लोगों को एक जनरल एग्जांपल से समझाती हूँ. जब हम किसी हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करते हैं तो हम जल्दी से अपने हाथ को हटा लेते हैं. तो ये क्यों? दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम. अगर ये नर्वस सिस्टम ना होता तो हम हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को पकड़ कर रखते, हमारा हाथ जल जाता और हमें कुछ फील ना होता. हमें जब चोट लगती है और हम पेन फील करते हैं तो ये सब नर्वस सिस्टम की वजह से. एंड नाउ न्यूरॉन इज़ अ बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम. न्यूरॉन इज़ अ सेल and it is the largest cell in our body. Neuron is the largest cell in our body. The basic unit of nervous system is neuron, and neuron is a largest cell in our body. Now let's start our reading. The nervous system. The brain and the nerves form the nervous system. The brain and the nerves form the nervous system. Nervous system is consist of brain and nerves. And now what are nerves? Nerves are thread-like structure. It carry messages. The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs and take messages to the brain. The nerves in the body receive signals from the sense organs and take messages to the brain. Now the nerves present in our body receive that messages from the sense organs. Sense organs are skin, nose, eye, tongues and ears. So the nerves present in our body receive the messages from the sense organs and carry it to the brain. As I have given you an example on the start, उस एग्जाम्पल को हम लेते हैं दोबारा. आपने हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को टच किया. जब हम किसी भी हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करते हैं तो फॉर टच वी यूज अवर स्किन, एंड स्किन इज अ सेंस ऑर्गन. सो स्किन इज अ सेंस ऑर्गन. सो द नर्व्स प्रेजेंट इन द स्किन रिसीव दिस इम्पल्स एंड सेंड इट टू द ब्रेन. द नर्व्स प्रेजेंट इन द स्किन receive this impulse and send it to the brain. And when brain receive this message, it give order to the hand muscles, to our hand muscles to pull back our hand. So इसी तरह हमारा हाथ जलने से बच जाता है. So because of nervous system, we can save ourselves from many dangers. So students, your homework is do reading of nervous system. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz. See you next time.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.